Before making investments, investors need to have accurate and clear information about the companies they wish to invest in. At investormeet.org, we aim at making the most active and thriving community of investors by providing you with a free listing on the site and all the information you need to invest with confidence. We connect investors with companies and buyers to ensure they can maximize our deal community. On our website, you will find a great deal of investor listings, totaling tens of thousands, both institutional and retail, as well as accredited and non-accredited ones. You can research any investor, company, or buyer, as well as message them from the site. We provide weekly alerts for new users on the site, suggest leads, and match you with leads that might fit you best. You can find a list of all companies with offerings by clicking on the Invest in Companies tab on our homepage. You can also use the search option to find information about a specific company of your interest. Buyers who want to find opportunities for buying a business can search standard private company business listings, shells, SPACs, and even public companies. By clicking on any company or using the search bar, you can find information such as the time of listing, contact details of the company, among other important details. Companies can easily list their companies for sale on investormeet.org. Not only does our community allow companies to connect investors, but it also enables owners to sell or merge with other companies. Investors get the perfect platform to create a free listing for companies to contact them, search for company offerings, post articles, and collaborate with other members. Investors using a business community can gain great insight into different investment opportunities, collaborate with other investors, and communicate with businesses that are seeking investments. Join our deal community by visiting investormeet.org today and start investing.